Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very last Styletone box of 2021. What a year it has been. Okay, I'm gonna rip up the paper. The first thing in here is the most wonderful time of the year. I fully agree. It's a little card, but y'all know the drill. I don't really use these things, so I'm gonna throw the card away. Okay, we got a very festive booklet in here with all the items listed, and now in here are all of the items. Okay, I see something really big that I'm very excited for in here, and hopefully this is what I think it is. It looks like an eye palette. Not really sure if it is, but it does look like it. So the first thing, there we go, is Baby Girl from Estate Cosmetics. Ooh, it looks so gorgeous. Let's open it up. Oh, that was a plastic. Oh, what is that? What? Wow. Is this an eye palette or like a blush? Because these palettes, like the pans, are huge. And I mean huge. Okay, let's see what it says. It says Pigment Palette. Pigment Palette. Okay, hold on. Let me just grab the booklet just in case. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. Okay, it literally does not say. I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow palette, but like it says Pigment Palette, and they are fairly like, how can I say this? The colors are fairly like close to the face, and it says Pigment Palette, so it's like, really? It's just an eyeshadow palette, I think. Anyway, very excited. Very nice colors. Now, the worth of this little sucker from Estate is 30 euros. So basically what we paid for the box. We've got the worth of our box back. Okay, let's move on to Argan Plus 5 Oil Blend Rose Auto Oil. Okay, it's comforting body butter, but from who? From Argan Plus, is that the brand? I'm not really sure. So this is what that looks like. Now let me check my little, there we go, my little booklet. Yeah, it's Argan Plus. The body butter is worth 5 euros. Okay, let's move on to Masada Milano's Spotlight Illuminate, what? Ultra Sensorial Highlighter. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, but nobody honestly cares for the box. Oh, the color is 202 Beamy. Now let's, oh God, me and boxes. Why is it always so freaking hard to open a box? Whoa, this is one hell of a pot. This is very big. Now, come on, open up. Oh my goodness, it looks gorgeous, like a beautiful golden highlight. I absolutely adore this. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so the Masada Milano highlighter, you could get 3 different colors, and thank goodness I got the lightest one, because else it would not fit for my face. So the worth is 19 euros and 95 cents. Okay guys, so far so good. Let's move on to Marie Stella Maris, the Care for Water thing. This is number 73, a body wash, and there's only like 80 milliliters in here, which means it is definitely not a full size. Let's check out the booklet. The Marie Stella Maris, whatever, body wash is worth 9 euros and 95 cents. And it doesn't state whether it's a full size or not, but 80 milliliters for body wash, I mean, that's definitely a sample size. Okay, moving on to Peas. I'm butchering every single name so far. Like, this is go good, guys. This is what it looks like. It's the Beauty Lip Gloss in the color number 2, Sultry. And hopefully it's an actual lip gloss and not like a drying gloss, because, whoa. Okay, guys, this is freaking gorgeous. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna close up to you guys. Hopefully y'all are able to see like the glitters in here. I really hope it will show up on camera. But it is, whoa, my box almost fell over. It is gorgeous. I mean, abso-freaking-lutely gorgeous. It smells really nice. It smells like bubble gum. Wow. Whoa. Guys, this is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. I am so freaking happy with this box. Like, this is amazing. Okay, let's check out the booklet. It's number 1. The Peace Lip Gloss, whatever, is worth 10 euros. I think that's a pretty good deal for like this solid of a gloss. Loving it. Let's move on to a mask, and this is the Youthful Infinity with Skin Firming Serum. Okay, age defying and firming. I think this is a Korean mask. Is it made in Korea? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, made in Korea, so K-Beauty. This is a pure cellulose face mask sheet. Great for all skin types. My 21. This is what that looks like. Very excited to give it a try. Y'all know I love me a good mask. So this is the My 21 sheet mask, and the worth is €7.95. Okay, let's move on to, I think these are eye pads. Yeah, the Butanic Beauty Gold Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. These are patches. It brightens, it hydrates, and it depuffs with hero ingredients such as cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. It's ideal for tired and overworked eyes, for jet lag, or a pre-party prep. So y'all know I'm gonna be using this for Christmas. So this is what that looks like. Very nice. And then, let's see, the worth is the Butanic Beauty Gold Angel Eye Mask is worth €6. Okay guys, we've got 3 items in here, and then with the festive little looking paper, are you guys able to see those glitters in that paper? It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we've got 2 brushes this time. Aren't these the same? From Luxie Beauty, it's the Luxie 2000 really? Luxie 2000. No, it's a Luxie 207 medium angle brush, and I got 2. I think this is a misunderstanding. Oh, no, wait, guys, it's actually not. So we all received 2 eyeshadow brushes worth 25 euros. I'm not really sure if they're both worth 25 euros or 25 each. But let's just say, for the heck of it, I think there are 25 like total, so 12.50 a piece. I don't know. I think, don't hit me with a rock, but I think I already own this exact brush. I really do think I do. I know I have a Luxie, oh, it's so freaking soft. But honestly, these brushes are always, always, always welcome. Since I wash my brushes daily, well, sometimes I don't have time, and then I take just a new brush and just wash them basically when I have time. Very bad, I know, but just my own personal brushes. But hey, it happens. So I'm really glad to have extra brushes because it's always freaking welcome. Okay, the last item in here is from Looks Fantastic. Really, it's not a Look Fantastic box here. Hello, this is Styletone. I wanted to say Looks Cosmetics. This is the eyebrow pencil in number 2, and it definitely, light brown, so it's definitely gonna suit my brows. This is what it looks like, and then you get a little brusher here for your brows. Very, very nice, so you can easily, I mean, I have bushes for brows, so you know. Okay, and this is the inside. This is what it looks like. So let's try and swatch it. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. Ooh, there we go. Looks very, very cool, and it will definitely suit my brows. It's very, very light, even though I will say, like, my brows originally are dark. Because look, where am I going with this? I'm dark. Okay, I'm dark. This is, by the way, a very, very bad paint job. I let my mom dye my hair, and she didn't wear glasses, so never mind. Guys, by the way, before I shut off this video, I'm not even joking when I'm telling you guys I actually bought hair dye, and I'm thinking of dyeing my hair just once. This, like, it's like a mahogany color, like brown, but with red in there as well. Like I said, it's like a mahogany color. I think actually the color actually is mahogany. So I would not be blonde just for a short period of time till about April, I think, because in April I I'm gonna go back to maybe even March, I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna go back to my hairdresser, and I definitely want to go back blonde again. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think? Should I just do it, or do you say like, oh hell no, stick to blonde, but just a better job than this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and immediately afterwards a brand new giveaway will start, and you guys can help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, the last of the Styletone box is here. What do I think? We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items, actually 10 I guess, because we got 2 brushes. Honestly, this, like all of the other boxes, take note, this is how you go out with a bang. I loved this box. It's got such a good amount of makeup in here, because honestly, the January boxes, whenever we start a new year, the new year always evolves around healthy, new me, new year, new me, blah, blah, blah. And it's always skincare, and I don't know, I kind of hate that. I want makeup more than I want skincare. And the December month, like the holiday month, for me personally, really is glitz, glam. I want to go out with a bang. I actually only want to receive makeup, like lashes, you name it. We still got the goodie box, by the way, but Styletone understands there's definitely more makeup in this edition, and I love it. The highlighter is so freaking big. We got an entire palette. We've got a beautiful gloss. We got something for the brows. I mean, we even got brushes in here. We got masks. This is how you end a year. Like, Styletone, you're amazing. I absolutely love the Styletone box. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. Once again, should I dye my hair mahogany before Christmas? Let me know down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!